Oh yeah, gotta have the stars. Welcome to another special edition of Mindset Mondays. I'm your host, Andre Stewart, and right now I am headed to Columbia to see my brother, Columbia, South Carolina. It's only about an hour drive from Augusta. I haven't seen him in about a year and a half. So I'm going to talk to him. He got a new business, and he's been having a hard time. He's been struggling with the business, and so I told him I'm gonna come up and see him, and it has to be, you know, something with his mindset or marketing, because I know how my brother thinks. And so a couple months ago, he had a loss, maybe about a year ago, he had a loss of about 30 grand. And then he was doing another deal and he lost money on it, even with me. And so he just kept focusing on the money that he lost. And so every time I talk to him, he's like, man, I keep losing money. I can't make it. I just got my business. So he opened up a shop. He was doing wraps out of his garage for a while, and then he decided to open up a shop. So we'll take a look at the shop as well. But he kept just complaining about the money that he lost, and I'm like, you gotta stop thinking about the money that you lost, because you're putting yourself in a mindset of lack. So if you want a different outcome, you're gonna have to change your perception or quit thinking about what you don't have. And so he just kept doing it. And so I said, dude, stop calling me about it, stop talking to me about it, and I guarantee your life is gonna change. Maybe a week after he stopped calling me about it, Mel that you guys met, he called him about a deal. Mel can't do deals in Columbia, South Carolina as an agent, so he called my brother. My brother's gonna make about $20,000 off that deal. So that's gonna take almost that loss that he got for $30,000. So I was like, look, man, you see what happened? As soon as you stop thinking about it, what happened? You got a deal for 20 grand, right? So he kind of stopped thinking about it a little bit, but I know my brother, so he still is. So I wanna go up here and just, you know, talk to him, maybe do some NLP with them, go over different things with, you know, internal representation and mindset, and see how that goes. But all right, guys, I'll see you when I get there. My brother got this, I don't know, a couple weeks ago, not even a couple weeks ago, like a couple months ago. He wraps cars. Should have seen how it looked when he first got it. I think it was gray. Nice. Whatever color this is. I'm about to ride to his shop right now, though. To get some footage of that too. I ain't finding it? Yeah, I'm finding it right now. I'm finding it right now. Is the volume ain't on it? Or you still find it? You still trying to quit that? I found it right now. Now I'm gonna hit it. Again.
Yeah, I'm looking for Carter 4.
Welcome to the MEI wrap shop. Dang, that's a big TV, bro. Where's it at? Where's it at? Come here and get your car wrapped for the low if you're in Augusta, South Carolina, the surroundings area, Columbia, obviously. And he did all this stuff himself. What is you watching? What is you watching? Oh, you watching yeah. Guys, check it out. These are wheels?
Yeah, they go. They're 28s. The floater goes in the wheel. And they spin around.
Oh, it's a spin.
This is the grill. I got a wrap for it.
What kind of car is it? Hyundai?
Truck.
The truck, right?
Yeah, truck. I forgot what kind of truck it is.
I can't believe there's wheels.
Sorry.
I need my car wrapped.
So like, I'll be able to, when I get into this, I can pick certain areas. And this is just the trial version. I didn't buy the full version. Yet. Let me kill it.
He also goes to your home as well, people. He will do this in your home garage. I'm just playing. He used to. Now you gotta come here. Okay, switch that car up. Nice. Whoa, quick. So you switched it up quick. And you go order all these colors?
Yeah, from the sample box over there. Online samples and samples.
Oh, which one's better? 3M? 3M is always really good though.
I've been liking the other non-traditional ones, like 3M and Avery, they're cool, but most of the other ones I like them better. And I got more coming, more samples, more vendors coming.
Oh yeah, you sent me tech wrap before. I like tech wrap. That's what I want to wrap my car with. This thing it's gonna be booming, man. We're gonna ride around and look up where some signs could go. Cause I mean, I see where it is, but there's still a whole bunch of real estate room in the front for like signs.
Yeah, well, I was gonna put some signs down that hill in that grass right there.
So if I want to get my car wrapped and I'm looking at this, you just gonna give me an idea or how's it gonna work?
Yeah, what I typically do, if we don't see a color over there from the sample table, in the sample books, then when we come over here, we'll pull all of the various different wrap films they got on here. We'll pull your car up and we'll go through the wrap films and we can sit here and literally discuss how we want to do it, whether we want to do a black hood, a black roof, you want to do your mirrors black, or just any color scheme you want to do on the car, we can do it in 3D.
And you can send this to me.
And once it's done, we can render it, and I can send you scenes of the space, and basically give you a real idea of what we plan on doing.
All right, guys, we about to do an X7. I'm gonna show you when we get done.
You know.
How about we not do an X7 and let's just stick with this car? But I'm gonna give you a concept and you just come up with something. I want to do white with black rims, and I want the car to be, I don't know, let's do white and black and see what we come up with.
White and black.
White and black. All right, guys. Let's do, I don't know what else. Let's do this blue. Let's try this blue. Oh yeah, that blue right there.
Blue right there? Okay. So let me go.
Cause white was too plain, man. We gotta step it up to look like our car got wrapped for real. This just came off the showroom. Close it. Working on a promo right now for bro. Oh, we got it in M mode. Oh, shit. Back here. My head touching up. You got to 100 in what, 2 seconds?
I don't know.
Woo! Oh my God. That's why I love BMWs, man. They have them. I see that 120 on the dash. We got 125. We about to go check out Gary. Gary got a Wraith. John wrapped it. So I'm looking forward to seeing that. You guys are gonna get to see that too. We got on 24s too.
Yeah.
Yeah, John's BMW's on 24s and the Wraith. You wrapped the rims too? This is with 24s. That's ridiculous. This should be a promotional video for BMW. Because they make Wraiths too. I'm gonna send it to them. You get tagged, BMW. Sponsor the next video, please. How long do it take you to wrap this?
We first did this, so did it in probably a couple of days before the show.
This is in the Rick Ross car show, right?
Yeah, but
Look at that logo.
no, this didn't make the show.
They make the show?
Yeah, the other one made the show. He had this swapped them out.
All right, John, tell me what you did to this car now. You did the...
We went from black cherry to Narrow gray.
Oh, so this is the original color on the roof.
So we do a two-tone on it, keeping some of the black cherry in. Black cherry into the Spirit of Ecstasy. Keep the tone going.
Oh, yeah. Gotta have the stars.
Rolls-Royce got the stars, BMW got the stripes.
You gonna wrap anything inside?
Nah, not that. We got a copper color we were talking about trying to do something with. To match the copper in there, but I don't think we're gonna do it.
See the wheel spin?
Both of them got the spinning wrap on.
Guys, you gotta let my brother wrap your car, man.
Now we're coming in power.
How long did it take you to do both? How long was this one?
Rushing it in a couple of days. Normally I like to take a week and a half maybe.
He's sitting on 24s, both of them on 24s. The crystal lights. He said he got crystal in the headlights. He even changed out the detail, man. Ridiculous. Guys, pull up his Instagram. His fees are way less than anybody else's fees as well. You said the average cost is how much?
About 35. Mine started at 25. Well, if it's a coupe, probably get you at 15.
15. All right, guys. I'll post his Instagram and a link to his website in the description.
Oh, that's crazy. Why you gotta turn it off in order for it to do it?
From the stars to the lines. I had to record that just so y'all can see that. I will record myself driving, but that ain't gonna work. You saw my driving skills with my left hand in Augusta. So we're about to go get something to eat real quick. And then I'm gonna show for my brother around.
You have to shoot me down or else.
Or else what, son?
Or else I shoot back.